8, we're just looking to find the slope of the line. Please understand that the slope is a relationship of the rates. M is equal to your delta y over your delta x. Delta y can be seen as your vertical line of the point, and your delta x can be as your horizontal line. Okay, that's the easiest way to think about it. All right, let's do some counting here. So -1, -2, -3, -4. So let's see how much you went up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So delta y here is 6. And let's see what your delta x is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Delta x is 6 as well. So we can say that m is equal to 6 over 6, which just simplifies to just 1. That is actually the slope of this equation. Okay, next, let's take a look. Your delta y here looks like it's going down 1, so it's a -1. Your delta x is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Delta x is 7. Okay, so here we write m is equal to delta y, which is -1, over your delta x, which is 7. Next, let's look at C. 1, how much is it going up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Delta y is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And your delta x, 1, 2, 3. Delta x is 3. So m is equal to 5 over 3 as the slope.